Hi everyone, welcome to Cook Eat Wonder. I hope you're all doing good. Today I'm going to share the recipe of Som Tam Salad, which is a very popular salad from the Thai cuisine. It is also known as green Thai salad. This salad will have a combination of several flavors like the sourness from the lemon and soya sauce. It will have the hotness from the chillies and also the sweetness from the honey. Before I start this video, let me tell you guys that if you are pregnant or a lactating mother, please do not have this. Raw papaya is not recommended to pregnant women and breastfeeding mothers, so please avoid this. So yeah, that's all. So let's get started. But before that, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell.
Let me first walk you through the ingredients. Half of a medium-sized raw papaya cut into thin strips like this. 1 carrot cut into thin strips. To do so, you can use a grater or simply use a peeler. I have removed the skin of the raw papaya and also scraped off the outer layer of this carrot. Cut thin strips of raw papaya using the peeler. You can see how thin the slice is. Use a peeler only if you are comfortable, else use a grater. Please do not hurt your hands. Now bring together all the slices of raw papaya. Cut them into thin strips like this. In similar way, we'll cut thin slices of carrot. Bring them together. Now cut them into thin strips. I'll cut them into half so that carrot and papaya are similar in size. We need a handful of roasted peanuts slightly crushed, 4 cloves of garlic slightly crushed. We will need 2 Thai red chillies, but if you don't have them, you can use some green chilli or you can use some chilli flakes. I'm using 1 green chilli and some chilli flakes. We need some soya sauce, honey, half a lemon, 2 to 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves chopped. Now take a large bowl, add in the slices of raw papaya, slices of carrot, crushed garlic, roasted and crushed peanut, green chilli, this is 1 green chilli finely chopped, chilli flakes, add as per taste. I am adding about half a teaspoon, 3 tablespoons of coriander leaves chopped, soya sauce, add only 1/4 teaspoon, you don't need too much, honey, about 1 teaspoon, half a lemon, salt as per taste. Now mix everything well. So our Thai green salad or Som Tam salad is ready. Let's plate it. So our quick and yummy Som Tam salad is ready. Do try this recipe and let me know how they turned out. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. Take care. Thanks for watching.